How to Free Up RAM on Windows 11, a complete guide to boost system performance. If your Windows 11 PC feels slow, apps lag, or you get random freezes, chances are your RAM, random access memory, is under pressure. RAM is where Windows stores active data so it can quickly access apps and processes. If RAM usage gets too high, your system slows down or starts using disk storage as virtual memory, which is much slower. In this blog, we'll show step-by-step methods to free up RAM in Windows 11 and keep your system running smoothly. 1. Close unused applications. The most straightforward fix: shut down apps you're not using. How? 1. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC to open Task Manager. 2. Under the Processes tab, look at the Apps section. 3. Right-click any app you're not using and choose End Task. Example: closing 5 browser tabs and Spotify can free hundreds of MBs. 2. Restart your PC. Restarting your computer clears all data stored in RAM, giving your system a fresh start. Why it works. RAM holds temporary data. A restart wipes that clean, especially helpful if you've had your PC on for days. 3. Disable startup apps. Too many startup apps eat into RAM before you even launch anything. How? 1. Open Task Manager, Ctrl-Shift-ESC. 2. Click the Startup Apps tab. 3. Right-click any unnecessary app, choose Disable. Tip: disable things like Teams, OneDrive, or Steam from starting with Windows unless needed immediately. 4. Check memory-hungry processes. Some apps leak memory or keep using more than they need. How? 1. In Task Manager, go to the Processes tab. 2. Click the Memory column header to sort from high to low. 3. Look for large memory consumers like browsers, games, or editing apps. 4. Right-click End Task if it's safe to stop the app. Caution: don't close system processes or anything you don't recognize. Action 5. Reduce visual effects. Windows 11 has sleek animations, but they consume memory. How? 1. Press Windows I, System, About, Advanced System Settings. 2. Under Performance, click Settings. 3. Choose Adjust for Best Performance or manually uncheck animations you don't need. Click Apply. OK. 6. Clear temporary files. Temporary files add up and waste memory and storage. How? 1. Go to Settings, System, Storage. 2. Click Temporary Files. 3. Select files you want to remove, e.g. Downloads, Windows Update Cleanup. 4. Click Remove Files. The Saturn 7. Increase virtual memory. If you often run out of RAM, increasing the virtual memory size can help. How? 1. Press Windows S, type Advanced System Settings, and open it. 2. Under Performance, click Settings, Advanced tab, change under Virtual Memory. 3. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size. 4. Select your main drive and choose Custom Size. Set initial size about 1/5 times your RAM, e.g. 12,000 megabytes for 8 GB RAM. Set maximum size about 3 times your RAM. 5. Click Set, then OK and restart your PC. Bonus tips. Keep drivers updated. Memory leaks can come from outdated drivers. Use lighter apps, replace heavy tools with lightweight alternatives. Scan for malware. Some malware drains memory silently. Summary, task benefit come from outdated drivers. Close apps, freeze immediate RAM, restart PC, clears RAM and memory leaks. Disable startup apps, reduces background memory use. Kill memory hogs, stops apps from lagging system. Tweak visuals, improves performance on low RAM systems. Delete temp files, freeze both RAM and disk space. Add virtual memory, prevents out-of-memory errors. Patch final thoughts. Windows 11 looks and feels modern, but that polish comes at a cost. If you're running into slowdowns, these steps can help free up RAM and speed up your system. For best results, combine multiple methods above and keep an eye on background processes regularly. Want a one-click way to monitor RAM usage? Use the Windows Memory Diagnostic Tool or third-party apps like RAMmap or Process Explorer. Would you like an image and SEO metadata for this blog?